Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your Messenger account. So first of all, what we need to do is head over to our Messenger, click on Messenger right here, and now we need to select the three lines in the top left hand corner. Once we do this, we can then select the settings icon, and then once we select the settings icon right here, what we need to do now is we need to scroll down to the bottom of this page, and then we need to click on account settings. So once we click on account settings, we will be brought to this page right here, and then as you can see under account here at the top, there is an option now for personal information. Click on that, and then this will bring you to this page where you can then click on manage account. Once you click on manage account, as you can see, there will now be an option to deactivate. So click on the deactivate button right there, and then what this will do is it will ask you to re-enter your password in just to confirm that it's your account that you want to delete. And then once you do this, you can then confirm deletion. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like in today's video, and I will see you in the next one.